Welcome to this video. Today I am looking at the ultimate best engine oil additive for car list. I'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you make the right choice. Product number 1. Liqui Moly Oil Additive Cera Tech 20002. Okay guys, buckle up. I've got the absolute game changer right here, and I'm super stoked to dive into our first product, the Liqui Moly Oil Additive Cera Tech 20002. This thing is a real powerhouse. So what exactly is it? It's an oil additive, simple yet genius, designed to, take your engine's lubrication to the next level. Think of it like a supercharged oil for your car. Trust me, it's a total upgrade. Cera Tech, by the way, that's short for ceramic technology, and it's what makes this additive truly revolutionary. It creates an ultra-thin, virtually indestructible layer of protection on your engine's moving parts. That's right, virtually indestructible. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your engine is shielded from wear and tear, from damage caused by friction, from overheating. It's like a force field for your engine. Honestly, this is one of those products that's gonna save you money in the long run, prevent costly repairs, and keep your ride running like new. I'm not even kidding, it's that good. Look, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth it? The answer is absolutely, 100%, without a doubt. So, if you're as excited as I am about this product, and you want to get your hands on it, check the link in the description for active discounts, and let's get your engine protected. Product number 2. Seafoam Motor Treatment. I've been raving about Seafoam's products for a while now, and today I are going to dive into their famous motor treatment. So what is it exactly? Well, honestly, it's a specially formulated, non-toxic liquid that you pour directly into your gas tank. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's a game changer. What it does is break down all sorts of varnish, gum, and other deposits that can clog up your engine. Over time, these deposits can really slow you down, but Seafoam's got your back. It's like a deep clean for your engine, and it's super easy to use. You just fill up your gas tank with the recommended amount, start your engine, and let it run for a few minutes. That's it. Now, I've used this stuff on my old truck, and let me tell you, it's made a huge difference. It's like new again. And the best part? It's safe for all engines, including your baby. Just make sure to follow the instructions. I'm really impressed with Seafoam's motor treatment, and I think you will be too. Look, if you want to give it a try, check out the link in the description below for active discounts. Product number 3. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. I've been talking about optimizing your vehicle's performance, and now it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of keeping your engine running smoothly, and that's where Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment comes in. This stuff is a game changer, folks. It's a concentrated fuel conditioner designed to clean existing fuel systems, prevent fuel system corrosion, and even reduce wear and tear on your engine. Honestly, it's a miracle worker. I mean, just think about it. Our fuel systems are constantly exposed to dirt, grime, and moisture, which can wreak havoc on our engine's performance. But with Lucas Oil 10003, you can trust that it's going to not only clean up any existing issues, but also prevent them from happening in the first place. Trust me, this stuff is liquid gold. I've seen it make a world of difference in my own vehicle, and I'm confident it'll do the same for you. Look, if you're serious about taking your vehicle's performance to the next level, then you need to give Lucas Oil 10003 a try. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I get my hands on this stuff? Well, that's easy. Just check the link in the description for active discounts, and get ready to take your vehicle's performance to new heights. Product number 4. Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush. I've talked about a lot of products that help you keep your engine running smoothly, but today I want to share with you something that's literally at the heart of it all. the Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush. Now, I know what you're thinking. An engine flush might not sound like the most glamorous thing in the world, but trust me, it's absolutely crucial for keeping your engine in top condition, especially if you've been neglecting it for a while, or if you just put in some new parts and want to make sure they're properly lubricated. The Liqui Moly Proline Engine Flush is a liquid solution designed specifically to dissolve and remove all the grime, sludge, and varnish buildup that can accumulate in your engine over time. The kind of stuff that can really reduce performance and even cause serious damage if left unchecked. Honestly, it's a game changer, and I've seen the results firsthand. Wow, it's like a whole new engine. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This stuff is expensive, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Check the link in the description for active discounts, and let me know in the comments if you've ever used an engine flush before. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Product number 5. Liqui Moly MOS2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment. Alright, guys, I've been talking about some pretty cool stuff, but now it's time to dive into the real engine experts, Liqui Moly, and their MOS2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment. Honestly, I was blown away by this stuff. Trust me, it's a game changer. So what exactly is it? MOS2 stands for molybdenum disulfide, which is basically a naturally occurring mineral that's been used for ages in lubrication. It's one of the thinnest, most effective friction-reducing substances out there. This treatment is essentially a concentrated form of MOS2 that you add to your engine oil, and it's designed to reduce wear and tear on moving parts. It's like a protective shield for your engine. The results are insane: improved fuel efficiency, increased power output, and a significant reduction in engine temperature. I mean, I'm talking about an engine that's running smoother, quieter, and with less strain on the entire system. Wow, it's incredible. I've seen it work miracles on even the most neglected engines. Look, if you're serious about maintaining your ride, this is definitely a product you should consider. Check the link in the description for active discounts. It's worth every penny, trust me. I've covered all the top options, so you don't have to search anymore. Check the description for pricing and more info. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.